Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Jeep Renegade. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Carefully position the donor vehicle so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Jeep's battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Jeep, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, start the donor vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this brief charging period, try to start your Jeep Renegade. If it successfully starts, you can then carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them, starting with the negative clamps. After your Jeep starts, drive it for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery fully recharges. If your battery continues to have issues, it's a good idea to have it and your charging system professionally tested. And for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.